Hello friends, welcome to Avinash English classes. Uh, in the last video, we completed present simple. We discussed the uses of present simple, and today it is the turn for present continuous tense. So let's start. Do you know about present continuous tense? You must have read it about in your previous classes in class 9 to class 10. Definitely you read about it. So once again, we discuss it. So present continuous. Present continuous tense shows that an action is taking place at the time of speaking. For example, now. I am teaching you now. Okay? It means the action that is being conveyed, that is being talking about, is happening at the time of speaking. How? If I write that they are playing football now. They are playing football now. It means the action of playing football is taking place at the time of speaking. When we are talking about this action is actually going on. Okay? So, it shows an action, an event that is happening at the time of speaking. And this is known as present continuous tense. Is it? The identification of this tense is first form. Is, am, and are the helping verb plus first form of the verb having ing with it. So this is the identification. Is, am, are plus verb ki first form plus ing is the identification of present continuous tense. And if we add subject here and object here, then it becomes the formula for positive sentence. Subject plus is, am, are plus first form plus ing plus object. So this is the formula for framing positive sentences of present continuous tense. And you know well singular and plural subject. So with singular subjects we use is. You know singular, once again I tell you, singular and plural subjects. Singular means he, she, it, and the name of a person, place, thing, or an animal. Here, plurals are I, we, they, you, and the things, which may be two or more than two. Okay? Here I is an exception because I has a separate helping verb, that is am. With I we use am. We can't use is or are with I. Is it clear? So with singular subjects we use is, with plural subjects leaving I we use are, and with I only we use am. Is it clear? So now we write the formula for positive, negative, interrogative. Look. So guys, this is subject plus is, am, are plus first form plus ing plus object is the formula for positive sentence of present continuous tense. So let's frame some sentences. First is, they are playing football now. Why? The subject is plural, so we use are here. With plural subject, the plural helping verb will also be used. And then the main verb is play. And with ing, it becomes playing. And the object is football. And this is showing the time, now. So they are playing football now. One more. He is watching TV. He is watching TV. Subject is singular, and with singular subject is used. Then watch is the main verb, and with ing it becomes watching, and the object is TV. So he is watching TV. Is it clear? Okay. Now the next one is negative sentence. Negative sentence. In negative sentences, we will make a little change in the formula of positive sentence. We will place not here. So the formula will be subject plus is, am, are plus not plus be first plus ing plus object. This is the formula for framing negative sentences of present continuous tense. Write some sentences. We make this sentence negative. So they are not playing football now. Okay? They are not playing football now. This is the negative sentence of present continuous tense. I think it's clear. One more sentence with I, the subject will be I. I am not watching TV. Subject plus helping verb according to the subject, according to the number of the subject, then not, then the first form, then ing, and in the end the object, and it becomes the negative sentence of present continuous tense. I am not watching TV. Clear? So next one is interrogative. Interrogative sentence that starts with helping verb. Okay? So let's see. Interrogative. Interrogative sentences that start with helping verb. So the formula will also start with helping verb. Helping verbs are is, am, and are plus subject plus be first plus ing plus object and question mark. So this is the formula for framing interrogative sentences of present continuous tense. So I write a sentence. Sentence is, are you preparing for exam? Here this is the helping verb, this is subject, and prepare is the main verb, and with ing it becomes preparing. Then for exam, exam is also preceded by for. Okay, so are you preparing for exam? Is it clear? One more sentence. Are they beating the boy? Are they beating the boy? Is it clear? Beating, you know, to blow someone or किसी को पीटना. So are they beating the boy? Is it clear? Now the next one is negative interrogative. See, interrogative, negative or negative interrogative, no problem. So what changes we will make here? After the subject we place not here. And now this is the formula for negative interrogative sentence. Is, am, are plus subject plus not, be first plus ing plus object. Write a sentence. Is he not preparing for exam? Is he not preparing for exam? So this becomes negative interrogative sentence of present continuous tense. One more sentence. Are you not? Sorry. Are you not doing your homework? Are you not doing your homework? Okay? I think it's clear to you. If any problem, you can write your problems, your questions in comment box. And in the next video lecture, I will try to solve all your questions. Okay? One more. Now next one is WH interrogator. WH interrogative sentence. So, if we place WH word before the helping verb, so this formula becomes the formula for framing WH interrogative sentences of present continuous tense. See, WH word plus is, am, are plus subject plus be first plus object. You see, I removed not from here. Okay? So, if we place not here, it becomes the formula for WH negative interrogative sentence. And if we remove not from here, so it becomes simple WH interrogative sentence. And you know about WH words? Why, when, what, where, who, whom, who, all these are WH words. Okay? So see, what are you doing? What is the WH word? You is the subject, and according to subject, helping verb is are, as a subject is plural. Then the main verb is do, and with ing it becomes doing. So the sentence is, what are you doing? Clear? One more. Why are you beating the child? Why are you beating the child? So why is the WH word? Subject is you, that's plural. So are will be here, and then main verb is beat plus ing, it becomes beating, and the object is the child. So why are you beating the child is the sentence. WH interrogative sentence of present continuous tense. Is it clear? So guys, keep practicing and get perfection in English. Without practice, it's not possible to get perfection in English grammar or in English language. So keep practicing, be happy. So we meet again in our next video lecture. Till then, bye. Thank you.